we're just gonna do peach again. Swatch it. Scrape. Stamp. Ooh, it's cute. Okay. That looks so much better. I think it's because like the more, like if you only do it like a few times, you just kind of get it. You know, it's like a really easy motion. Yeah, I love it. Bit like difficult like when you first start because like you don't know what you're doing, you know, but it's just like there's 5 directions, people. Like it's not that hard. It's me. Okay. I don't know, I just like, I mean, okay, so like it wasn't difficult after a while because it's kind of like, it's just like a fluid motion. You're just like, all right, you pick the, I think the most difficult like process of this was like picking out a freaking design because I want to do all the designs, but I only have 10 nails, you know? Well, actually, no, technically I have 20. How many? No, there's more than 20 on here, and there's 2 of them. But no, like the whole process was like simple. Like you get it, and you paint it, and you scrape it, you stamp it, and then you swoon. You know?